What's up mga yoy, matik na kan. Welcome back to another pork butakal cooking video. I know that you missed the pork butakal. That's why we're going to cook pork butakal adobong natural. Sobrang natural, walang halong chemical. Very malasa. We also have here sitaw that is cure for arthritis. We're going to pidaso that in equal sizes so that if you look that there's no lambangan. Matik na kan. Kinapos. And now we're going now to salang our pork butakal to our chalet until it buruk-budok. We're going to talip that for about 10 minutes and 2 bulan to make it more malumak, buray niya po niya. As we wait for our pork butakal to buruk-budok, we're now going to prepare all the ricado of our gulay na sitaw. Of course, we have here 3 plastic of natok na ginuno ng kamay ni Insan. And for our bangot, our gulay na sitaw, we have there few amounts of kiniris na pork butakal and of course, the balaw. Oh, just like that, our pork butakal is already nagbuburuk-budok. We're just going to let it buruk-budok until it's already malamoko. Hiya pa si Chef po. Chef, huwag ka hiya, huwag mo takip yung muka. Oh, see? Our adobong pork butakal na natural, walang halong chemical is already done. Oh, look at that. Very nagmamantika. Very nagkikiti also. We are now going to cook our gulay na antak or the sitaw. We're going to buubo the natok there in the pinaglutuan of our adobong natural to make it even more malasa. Oh, di ba? Buntog muna yoy so butakal, oh, di ba? Buntog na. Oh, swimming na siya butakal diyan sa natok. Oh, lagay mo rin yung ibang ricado para dire-diretso na yung balaw. Oh, di ba? Sarap niyan. Kagaw kung kagaw. Oh, you know what to do. Mekos na yan ng idol. Mekos na yan ni Insan. Tornadong kulag. And just like that mga yoyo, very fast. Our natok is ready. Nagbuburuk-budok. So, you know what to do. You know what to do. Of course, we're now going to buntog our gulay na sitaw and let it buruk-buruk for a while. Fast forward, oh, divine. Our spicy gulay na sitaw is already done. Oh, muak-muak na naman it-test. But before the muak-muak competition, let's look at first the presentation. Wow, very malasa. Very nagsisilyab, especially the taba. Very nag-uwag-uwag. Buray niya po niya, binus kal tulos niyo, marasa pa. Muak-muak malala. Very dusta. That's not muak-muak anymore, yoy. That's what you call lamon already. Or in Bicol, ablo. Yes, Marcep, yoy. Very paslo. But that's okay. We don't eat pork butakal every day. So, muak-muak kayoy. Paita. Ali. Kastahe. Okay, thank you so much for watching our vlog for today's video. So, don't forget to like and follow UTV. Proud to 200k followers before 2024. Matik na kan. I'll see you again next vlog. Matik na kan. Muak-muak na naman. This is your one and only yoy. Peace out. Goodbye.
What's up mga yoy? Pinakikilala ko sa inyo ang larong Una Game. Ang Una Game isang play-to-earn mobile game na pwede kang kumita habang naglalaro lang. Mag-register lang, kumpletuhin lang lahat ng details na nakikita sa screen at i-confirm. After mo ma-confirm mga yoy, rekta ka na sa game. Marami kang pwedeng pagpiliin na laro dito mga yoy sa Una Game. Isa na nga dyan mga yoy ang larong Dragon Tiger. Ang larong Dragon Tiger mga yoy ay isang laro na kung saan tataya ka lang kung sa dragon ba o sa tiger. Magpapataasan lang kayo ng baraha mga yoy at kung sino yung mas mataas na baraha, syempre siya yung panalo. Diba? Ganun lang siya kadali mga yoy. Naglalaro ka lang pero kumikita ka pa. Sa Una Game lang yan mga yoy. At kung gusto nyo na mag-withdraw, i-click nyo lang mga yoy yung withdraw dyan sa baba. I-bind nyo mga yoy yung Gcash details nyo at ilagay nyo yung withdraw amount. Rekta Gcash nyo na yan mga yoy. Ganun lang siya kadali. Ano pa hinihintay nyo mga yoy? I-download nyo na ang Una Game. Nasa comment section ng video na to yung link kung saan pwede mo siyang i-download. Matik na yan. Una ka sa Una Game.